Question 10a was given that a is equal to x such that x is less than 6. X is a natural number, list set A. Okay, so this is the statement we are given, and then they have used set builder notation to describe set A. So they want us to list set A. So to list set A, first we're going to write set A. Then we need to identify what are natural numbers. Okay, so natural numbers, these are counting numbers, numbers like these ones, the ones I've drawn down here. These are natural numbers, the one we use for counting 1, 2, 3, 4, and so forth. Okay, so these are natural numbers. They keep on going, like they can even, you can reach 1 million. There are many, but these are natural numbers, are counting numbers. So now when we go to set builder notation given, we are told that x such that set at A is equal to x such that x is less than 6 and x is a natural number. So meaning the numbers, these natural numbers are less than 6. So if natural numbers are counting numbers, therefore we are talking about set A has members which are not these up to 5. These are the members of set A. Okay, 1 up to 5, because we're told x is less than 6. So therefore we can say set A is equal to that. Okay, so basically that's what you are supposed to do. If you have got questions, you can ask in the comment section. Otherwise, we go to the next question. Question 10b was as follows. The diagram below shows a sector X or Y. The arc XY subtended on angle of theta at the center O, and the radius of the sector is 6 centimeter. Given that the area of the sector is 33 centimeter, find the value of the theta. Okay, so we are told to take pi to be 22/7. Okay, so what we're going to do is first we're going to identify the formula for finding the area of the circle. The formula to find the area of the circle is area equal to pi r squared. This is the area of the full circle. Now, as you can see, we're just given a sector of the circle and we're told to find the theta. So to do this, what we're going to do is we're going to modify this formula. Okay, we're going to modify this formula. So we're going to write area is equal to, then we say theta over 360 degrees. Why 360 degrees? Because we know that a full circle has got 360 degrees. So now, since we have given a fraction of the circle, that means we're going to use the degrees of that circle, which will be divided by the full degrees of a circle. Okay, once we've done that, then we're going to put pi. Now let's come to this formula, which is pi. So we're going to identify pi. We're given that it's 22/7. Oh, I forgot over 7. Okay, 22/7. So that's a pi given. So we're going to write pi, which is 22/7 times radius. Radius we are told is 6 centimeter. So you can see that the radius is given here as well as here on the diagram. You can see the radius. Those two are giving us the radius. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to multiply by 6 centimeter squared, since it's a radius squared. So we're going to multiply by 6 centimeter squared. Now, when solving mathematics, at least if you want to do well, you should have good mental arithmetic. You should be able to divide or multiply or add using just your head. So you need to have good mental arithmetic. So already I've seen that I need first to to evaluate this first. Before I do anything, I need to evaluate 6 centimeters squared. Okay, because I can see that the product I'll get 6 centimeters squared will have the common factor with 360, which is here. Okay, they will have the common factor. So I will first take advantage of finding the value of 6 centimeters squared. Then later on, I'll go ahead and simplify the expression. So what I'm going to do now here is I'm going to simplify that. That means the rest will be written just the way they are. So I'm going to write, and remember, we are also given that the area, the total area is 33 centimeter squared. So I've changed where there was area, I've put the actual value of area. Then I'm going to say 33 centimeter squared is equal to theta over 360 times 22 over 7. Then I'm going to evaluate 6 centimeters squared. So which means I'm going to multiply 6 times 6, which will give me 36. So it's going to be 36 centimeter squared. Now, as you can see, 36 centimeters squared and 360 degrees, they have got the common factor. Okay, so the highest common factor of these two numbers is 36 itself. So I'm going to divide 36 centimeters squared, divide by 36 will give me 1 centimeter squared. Then I come down here, 360 degrees divided by 36 will give me 10 degrees. Okay, then I'm going to again look for a common factor. So as you can see, 10 and 22, they have the common factor. So I can say, and that common factor is 2. So 2 into 10 will give me 5. 2 into 22 will give me 11. Okay. Now, as you can see, there is no other numbers, or there are no numbers that have got the common factors. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to now rewrite the 3 centimeters squared. Then I'm going to multiply theta by 11 will give me theta 11. Then theta 11 times 1 centimeter squared will give me theta 11 centimeter squared. Then I'm going to say over, then 5 degrees times 7 will give me 35 degrees. Okay, once I've done this, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cross multiply. Okay, once I do the cross multiplication, that means I'm going to have theta 11 centimeter squared is equal to 33 times 35 degrees. 33 centimeter squared times 35 degrees. Then I'm going to divide both sides by 11 centimeter squared. Okay, so theta 11 centimeter squared divided by 11 will give me theta. Okay, so that means the 11 centimeter squared will be cancelled out and leave me with the theta. Then here again, you need to identify the reason I did not multiply 33 and multiply 33 by 35 is because I knew that 11 centimeter and 33, they have got common factor, which is 11 itself. So I'm going to say 11 centimeter or 33 centimeter squared divided by 11. So 11, it will be 1, and 33, it's going to be 3. Okay, so after that, I'm going to divide 3 by 1, which will give me 3. Then 3 times 35, that's what I will write. So I'm going to write 33 times 35 degrees. Okay, now once I've done that, then I'm going to write theta there. Okay, then I'm going to multiply 3 by 35 degrees, which will give me 105 degrees. 105 degrees. Now this is the value of the theta, and I can still write it there, which is, we are saying theta is equal to 105 degrees. So that is the value of theta. The value of the theta is 105 degrees. So basically, this is the answer we're supposed to write on the answer space. Now let's go to the next question.